like them. Jamming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Excuse me. If you're new here, I'm Deb, and I'm coming at you today with my Ipsy Glam bag, and I have a few add-ons. Now, I'll do the add-ons first because I know I paid $15 for all three of these items, but I don't exactly know which is priced what. So I thought, well, I'll do them first. Okay. So, sorry about that. Let me get my glasses because this is Dominique Wide Awake Full Cover Concealer. Not desperately needing concealer. Now I'll just give you a little swatch here. Maybe. Yeah. There's. I'll do it on my track marks. See how good that does. This has really got a weird. See that? I'll do it on my track marks up here and see how well it does. So yeah, there's that. That was my first add-on because I was completely out of concealer. It's just normally doesn't matter, but I got these veins in my from using steroids on my face too long. The next thing I got was Activist Volume from Pacifica. It's mascara. Voluminous, curled, lifted, longer lashes. My stomach has not been happy for a few days. Don't know why. This is what it looks like. It's pretty. That's what it looks like on the inside. And this is what the wand looks like. Just got a curved wand. There's a difference from one side to the other. I don't know. Because it's too small to see on the screen. But anyway, I got that. Oops. This thing is driving me nuts lately. And then I got Double Dipper. It's a palette. And it would look like this. Like I said, I paid $15 for all three of these together. I think one was like $7 and one was like $5 and one was like $3. So there, I got it. And this is just a blush and a highlight. I don't know if you can see it there or not. I'll make the highlight just a little darker there. There, just so you can see that. But I'm getting my stuff together to take to Louisiana, and I just want, you know, the minimum. I don't want to. I have got a weird curl going on right here, and I don't know what's going on with it. But it's been driving me nuts all morning. And I've been up since 7 o'clock, which is rare for me. Okay, so those are my three add-ons. Now, if you're not familiar with Ipsy, it is $17, I believe, plus $1.99 shipping. And Okay, it says Puffy Mystery Bag, immediate, yes. Okay, so this tells you what you got. This is how Rewrite the Rules is their theme this time. And this tells you what you got. This is the bag. And every month you get a makeup bag. They call it the Glam bag. And this is the bag. And it has these little beads on the zipper pull. Okay. Now let's see what we got here. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. We got Pinky Bee Beauty Dat Gel Eyeliner. Though in Magic City. There's that. And I'm not going to open it because I've probably got 15 eyeliners open. This is OFRA Cosmetics. And this is lip gloss in Blissful. And this is a deluxe sample. Oh, and that is full size. That eyeliner is full size. And I'll put the links in the description, and I will put the prices up on the screen, the value. This is definitely a sample, because look. Now I'm getting some out finally. So it's not only just a sample, it's barely a sample. Because it's just, doesn't have a whole lot of anything in it, see? So, calling it a deluxe sample might even be a stretch for that one. But it's OFRA Cosmetics. Excuse me. This is Karma Beauty Replenishing Truffle Leave-In Conditioner. I don't mean to blind y'all. And this is a deluxe sample. Now, I'm going to open it because I will use this. I do use a lot of leave-in conditioner. Although this morning it's just, usually brings my curls out, but it's raining. If you have curly hair, it seems like rain does the opposite to it. Smells good. Ew. And I mean, that came right out. As you can see. See, it's already coming out. And so this is actually full. And this is a deluxe sample. So, it smells really good. I'll just stick it back here in the back of my hair. But they're calling this a deluxe sample. And this is a deluxe sample of lip gloss. But this, you're squeezing it all the way this way and still getting nothing. And this is completely full. They're calling this a deluxe sample? I think not. I think it's barely a sample. But I got to use it once, and it's about, took everything I had to get it out of there. Okay. And this is MAISON Louise Marie. And this is just a sample. It's number 13. And we'll call this our perfume of the day because I forgot to bring any in here. I'm just going to spray it on this card so we can smell it. It smells good. It kind of smells like a cross between a laundry soap and a really expensive body wash. It says MUGUET, whatever. I don't know what that says. And then it says Tuscan Fig, and then it says Tonka. I thought Tonka was just a truck. Evidently it means something. But anyhow, there's that. And I just throw those in on my dresser. And as I'm walking out the door, I'll put them on. Of course, that's a sample. We know that. And sometimes in here you get the bigger ones. That are like the to-go ones. They're nice. And then lastly, let's see who makes this before I go. Okay, this is Shades by SHAN, Life of the Party Volume 1 Eyeshadow Palette. I'm trying. This is what it looks like on it. I usually try to find the hinge. Then I go work from the other side. There I got her. And it's a neutral. So I'm going to test these right here. So I know I got one left. Now to the colors. Now this is my one friend's style. This is what she wears. So I don't know. I might stick. Her birthday's next month. I might stick it up for her. I don't know. I got her a Dodger shirt already. So, but this is cute. This bag is very cute, and I would probably end up just throwing my stuff that I intend to take with me, because when I go to Louisiana with the kids, generally, I don't wear a lot of makeup, but she does have her graduation, so I will I'll wear makeup for that. So I would probably just take the bare necessities with me, because I tend not. There's some days I don't even get dressed when I'm down there. It's just like, oh well. Yeah, because I get so wore out traveling there, it takes me 2 days to recover. So, anyway, that's my Ipsy with my add-ons. I will leave all the links below, and I will leave the prices, and I'll put the prices on the screen too. It makes it a little easier for viewers. But come on back, join us, like, subscribe, do all the YouTube stuff. Bye.